Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video we'll see how you can use the Moodle documentation. For that you will have to come to Moodle website that is already open in my case, but let me tell you how you can come to it. You'll have to type Moodle. Then you will find this Moodle.org homepage. You'll have to click on this. After clicking there you will be redirected to this website. So here if you click on this documentation, so by default, it will take you to the latest Moodle version documentation. If I click here, you will find manage your courses. In case you have any doubt around the manage courses, you can check this one. How to set up a course, set up your course. So this will be basically will saying 1, 2, 3. It checkpoint has been given and description you will find here. Course one. This is a course navigation. This one course navigation. Then you see the two left side and three on top. So let's see. One is the course navigation, two course index. This is scalable, collapsible, and third is the edit mode toggle. So that was on top. This one. This is basically an edit level 3. Same here, you can see the fourth point block dryer. You can see this one. If you click on this, you can add blocks to that particular course, or you can also remove that. So in case you have any doubt around that version, you can go through from here. If it is around activity, you can come here. It is around Moodle apps, then come here. In case you want to add user, add course, change level, install plugin, you can switch to that. But what in case you have older version, you can also switch the version from here. This is documentation of 4.1. In case you want to switch 4.23, you can do this here. But what in case you want to check documentation for 3.11? So you will have to come to URL here. Then you can simply search here 3.11. So for 3.11 version, you will have to type 311. Okay, 311 in the URL. Then you will be see only 3.11. In case you want to access the older version, for example, you want to have access on 3.9, then you will have to type here 39 in the URL. For 3.6 you'll have to type 36 you'll have to type. Okay, so this is how you can change the this documentation version. If you are not seeing here, you can directly jump to this URL and you can modify as per your version need. Now if I am seeing this currently model 3.6, so whichever functionality you will come across, you will see all around this particular version only. Okay, so in case you see the end user, you will be only watching the version that is in 3.6 documentation here. Okay, but if you come to this 3.8 you want to switch, you can also switch from here. Okay, but in case you don't want to go back to older one, by default you only be watching last three version, that is 4.3, the latest one in my case, the date video I'm recording, then the 4.2 and 4.1. Okay, so this is how for teacher, if you in case you want to learn something around teaching teachers only, then you will find this how the teacher can play around this LMS. Okay, you'll also see some documentation here. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.